Hi, this is how you make foliage in Unreal Engine 4. So first you'll want to go to your content browser and select the meshes that you're going to want to make your foliage. Click and drag them over to your foliage type under the modes panel. So this is under the foliage. And so now we can click on these and apply them to our scene. So let's say that I want to only apply trees. So under this foliage type, I want this trees selected. I want them to be check marked, and then the grass, I will have them unchecked. So now I'll just use the paint tool, and now I can just click on an area and apply trees. But hold on, that's way too many. So we can bring our density down. Let's bring it down to 1. And so now, when I click once, it'll make it just one tree. So, wait, I made way too many trees. How can I delete them? So what I can do is use the select tool and hold Control-Shift, and that allows me to select trees, and I can delete them. Now that's taken a long time, so I'm just going to hit select all and hit delete. And I think it's a little too much for my computer. Okay. Well, we'll just go one by one. Well, anyways, so that's how you can make trees. And you can also change their scaling so that sometimes they are half that size, and sometimes they are twice that size. So now whenever I place trees with the paint tool selected, they will be different sizes. Okay. So now we want some grass. So I can uncheck the trees because I don't want to be placing those anymore, and I'll check the grass. And I'll do the same thing. I'm going to bring down the density because it's going to be way too much. Bring it down to 1. And the scaling, I think I'm going to do 0.2 and 0.5. Let's see how that looks. It looks pretty good. And so we can place this all around our scene, and it's just going to make our environment look a lot more believable by adding foliage. Now you want to be careful because the more foliage you add, the slower your computer is going to get. So yeah, that's how you add foliage. You just go to the content browser, bring in your meshes into the foliage panel, and then you can place it with the paint tool and delete them with the select tool.